Imagine the moment when your passion for cloud development becomes more than just a goal, when it transforms into a career. Introducing AWS Certified Developer Associate, DVACO2 certification and beyond, your pathway to mastering AWS. But this isn't just another certification guide. This book is your chance to build something real, to take theory and turn it into experience. What sets this book apart? It's not just about passing the DVACO2 exam. You'll gain hands-on, practical experience, building, architecting, and deploying a complete 3-tier application on AWS. From creating a scalable infrastructure to deploying real applications, every chapter is designed to give you the skills that employers demand. This book takes you beyond the classroom with step-by-step exercises that guide you through architecting your own AWS solutions. So when you're done, you'll have more than a certification. You'll have real-world experience. Whether you're an aspiring developer, a cloud engineer, or looking to take your career to the next level, this is your chance to stand out. Don't just pass the exam, master the cloud. Get your copy of AWS Certified Developer Associate DVACO2 certification and beyond today and start building your future. Available now from Packt Publishing and Amazon.